What is up, motherfuckers? We finally made it back to the course. We're playing the par 3Z at the Cattail Creek. Scott, what the fuck are you gonna shoot today?
The bushes.
The bushes? He's shooting the bushes. I'm fucking hoping for a sub 30, you know? That ain't happening. Ooh. There's my opening shot. A good birdie attempt. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. Even through two. Scott, what are you sitting at?
I fucking hate this game.
What are you sitting at?
I think we're 4 over.
Four already.
2.
Fuck, stay tuned for these tee shots on 3, bitch. 150, hole 3. I want to dunk it. Nine pancakes, he told me. 9 jackers.
Fairway.
We got Scott over there with this birdie chip. Oh shit. Oh. And then there's my look for birdie with 3 Walmarts between it. The fish are jumping. Don't tell me now I have a good time. I'll whip my pole out right now. Motherfuckers. Hole number 7, birdie look. And we got Scott over there chipping again. Beautiful day at the creek. Can't complain. Now he chips in.